Welcome to Man Cave Studios NC, 406 Caveman here. Wow, the skip's been coming in strong this week. It's just blowing the roof right off of the house. Anyway, I want to say thank you to everybody who has checked in and all the contacts that I've received. Thank you. And for those of you watching, appreciate you watching. Thank you. Please, if you haven't already, hit the like and subscribe button so you can get reminded of future content. Anyway, 406 Caveman saying 7 threes.
CQDX, 000 up here in Canada. This is a 000. Anybody got a copy on my receive? 000 up here in Canada. We're trying.
Hey, 000 up here in Canada. 000. I got a good copy on you. 406 North Carolina waving.
Hey, 406 North Carolina. 406 North Carolina. 000. We're gonna hand back.
Got you in there, 000 Canada. It's rough and tough out there, but I got you loud and clear. 000 406 North Carolina saying 7-3.
Hey, Roger, 406 North Carolina. You're making a strong trip up here to Canada. 73 still from 000. We're back on the side.
401, now you're doing a good job up this way. 207 Michigan, standing by.
Yeah, we run an ICOM 718.
Boy, I got a 207 Michigan coming over the top. 207 Michigan, 406 North Carolina waving.
406 North Carolina, 207 Battle Creek, Michigan.
Roger that, 207 Battle Creek, Michigan. Man, you're loud and proud here in the Carolinas tonight. 406 North Carolina waving a hand.
Hey, Roger, 406, you're doing a good job up this way, too. Alright, we'll get out of here. It's just as busy here as it is on 385, so hey, have a good one and a good weekend. 207 Battle Creek, Michigan.
Jerry.
Appreciate that, 207 Battle Creek, Michigan, 406 North Carolina saying 7-3.
We're back on the side. CQ. Calling CQ. 353, Texas.
Oh, I got you in there, 353 Texas, 353, 406 North Carolina waving.
Alright, 406, thank you very much for coming back. 73, 406, World Radio 3.
Roger that, World Radio 353, 406 North Carolina saying 7-3. 406 North Carolina. Hello, 501 Indiana, 501 406 North Carolina waving.
406, have yourself a great weekend there, sir. 73s, God bless you and yours. 501 Indiana.
Roger that, 501 Indiana. We appreciate that. 501 406 North Carolina saying 7-3.
207 Michigan, standing by.
406 North Carolina, 933 Northwestern Pennsylvania, stand by.
4170.
I got you loud and clear, 933 Pennsylvania. You're coming in over the top, 933 406 North Carolina waving.
Hey, 406, what's your location in North Carolina?
933, I am Central North Carolina, Greensboro, North Carolina.
406, 933, we're about 120 miles north of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Roger that, 933, 100 miles north of Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, 933, 406 North Carolina saying 7-3.
07 Battle Creek, Michigan.
Hello, 598, 55, Sasquatch in Wisconsin, rallying your way.
How about that 55 Louisiana? Hello, Sasquatch, 406 Caveman, North Carolina waving.
406 in North Carolina. Hello, 406 in North Carolina. The Caveman. It's good to hear from you, my friend. 55, Sasquatch, rally your way from the forest of Wisconsin. Hey,
I got a good copy on you there, 55. I got a good copy on you, 55. 406 North Carolina, saying 73.
And 406 North Carolina, I heard you in there a few minutes ago, but I remembered your number there, 406 in Carolina. 626 Illinois waving.
I got a good copy on you, 626 in Illinois. A good copy on you, 626. 406 North Carolina waving.
406 North Carolina, good evening, 61 around the Buckeye.
Roger, 406, man. Good sounding station out of North Carolina. 626 on this icon, standing by.
26.
Roger that, 626, 406 North Carolina, saying 73s. And I heard a 61 out there. Didn't get where you was from, 61, but I got you in there as well. 406 North Carolina, standing by.
450.
CQ 1102 Ohio, bye.
How about that 1102, 406 North Carolina waving.
406, sounding good in my radio, no doubt. 406, 1102 Cleveland returning.
Roger that, 1102. Boy, you key up and you're just all over everybody else. You sound great here in the Carolinas. 1102, 406 North Carolina, saying 73.
You too, buddy. Take care. Have a good evening. Have a real nice weekend from our house to yours, and have a happy Father's Day when it comes around. 406 1102 Cleveland, standing by.
406 in North Carolina, standing by.
I heard a 406, and I think I heard a needle bender 813. Good evening to you. 159 Great Lakes Radio.
Roger that, 159 Great Lakes Radio, 406 in North Carolina, waving a hand, saying 73.
Roger on that, 406, sounding very nice in the state of Michigan. 406, 73s, good numbers around the QTH, to you and yours. Enjoy the weekend. 159 Great Lakes Radio.
New York, Montreal.
How about that 327 Buffalo, New York, 327, 406 North Carolina, waving.
Sounding good, North Carolina. I hope your evening is going good for you. Not too bad about the horn this evening, but hey, thanks for
Ontario, Canada, 815.
I got a Roger on you there, 327 in Buffalo, 327, 406 North Carolina, saying 73.
I heard you there in Carolina. We got you there in Carolina. Thanks for the comeback.